Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my Bump box unboxing. So before we get into this video, I want to say that I have a box from May and I also have a box from June that I wanted to show you guys. And my mom actually signed me up for a 6-month subscription through the bumpbox.com. A little bit about BumpBox before we start. You can get a 12-month, a 9-month, a 6-month, or a month-to-month subscription. The month-to-month, of course, is going to be a little bit more expensive, but you do get 50% off of your first box, and then every box after will be $36 a month. You also get free shipping and returns on all boxes unless you are using international shipping, which is a total cost of $9.99. Super affordable. I think for the value of each box, you get at least 5 big size hand-picked items. The overall cost is worth it compared to what you're paying per month. So last month, I don't have a total cost on how much everything was for May, but I do know that I got about, I'd like to say, triple the amount of money that we put into actually buying the box back in the products that we got. So really great. They have all different kinds of boxes for new moms, moms to be, dads to be. They have boy, girl, and neutral gender boxes and lots of boxes for after you have the baby. And this one is just for expecting moms, but like I said, they have plenty of options. So first I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got in my May box, and then we'll jump into what I got in this month's box. But I do have all of the goodies that I received, and usually they come with an informational card to show you about each product and give you a little bit of information on them. They give you the value of the box and also how much each product costs. I will say that if you do like these products enough, you can also go on the bumpbox.com and repurchase a lot of the items that they send out in the boxes, which I really love. So the first thing I got are these Relax and Natural Bath Soak salts for the bath. And these are infused with organic lavender, bergamot, and frankincense essential oils. And I've used almost the whole package of these in my baths. I just did a pregnancy essential video, and I talked about bath salts. I really enjoy those in my bath, and those smell so good. Of course, you have to like those certain scents because a lot of those are really strong. And they can kind of throw you off a little bit if you don't like those kinds of scents, but I've really enjoyed them. The next thing I got was just this cute little tag that I can hang on a door, and it says "Tired as a Mother," and then it says "Bother at your own risk," which is really cute. And then on the back it says "For when mama just needs another nap." So this was one of the 5 items. I wasn't really impressed with this, but I thought it was cute, and in comparison with everything else that I got, it was just a cute little add-in to the box. And then I also got a Earth Mama belly oil. I also talked about this in my pregnancy essential video. I've heard great things about the Earth Mama brand, and the products aren't too expensive, but coming in a box, I really think that this is a great deal. And again, it has no petroleum, it has no mineral oil, parabens, or artificial fragrance. So it's super good to use on stretch marks and all over the body. The next thing I got is this cute sonogram frame. Now this is not my baby. This is a pear head sonogram frame, and it says "Love at First Sight." I have not yet opened this because I'm actually going to be using it either above my nursery nook in my actual bedroom or in the nursery, and it's a great size. It's perfect for the sonogram pictures that they give you, and it's nice. It's super nice. It feels really heavy duty, and I wish I knew how much these items cost. I want to say that the box last month was between, I think, $55 and $65, and I think we only paid $18 for the box because, like I said, your first box you do get 50% off. And the last thing in May's box was this Previse Hyaluronic Moisture Hydrofoam Moisturizer. Pretty great size. Again, this is 1.7 fluid ounces, so a little bit bigger than what you normally would get. This is a foam consistency. I've really been enjoying this as a moisturizer. It's like nothing I've ever tried. It is hypoallergenic and it's naturally unscented. So it's definitely nice on the skin. I use it after I put on my toner and after I wash my face for the day. And I use it at morning and night, and it has a lot of good things in there. And all the products that you get are approved and great for pregnancy. So that makes it even better that you are able to use the products that they send you. So that is everything that I got in May's box. Next, I'm going to move into everything that I got in the June box. So I actually have a physical box. I've noticed that I have been getting these the second or the third week into the month, so I haven't had to wait too long on getting the actual boxes, and I do get them shipped to my mom's house because, like I said, she pays for the subscription. She thought it would be fun, and this is her third grandchild, but we haven't had grandkids on my mom's side in like 10 years. So, and it's a little girl, so it's really exciting. So when you open it up, this is what the box looks like. They always give you a ton of confetti. And then this is the card that I was talking about. It gives you all of the information. This box right here is valued at $76.95, and I only paid $36 for it. My mom only paid $36 for it. But it says, you deserve to be pampered. So this box is pretty much all for me. So I'm really, really excited about the things in here. And the first thing that I saw in here was this onesie. It says, hello, I'm new here. I was like, oh my God, this is so cute. Like, look at this. It's just a simple, basic white onesie, and it's for 6 months. So I'm glad that they kind of gave you a big enough size so that your baby can definitely wear it. And this is gonna look cute with a colored bow and some girly pants. I am just like, oh my goodness. So that was the first thing, and that onesie was actually valued at $11.99. It is from the brand Bitsy. I also want to throw in that since you are a VIP, since my mom did the 6-month subscription, you save up to 30% on all of the products. So if you were to like one of these products so much, you can go back online and buy this same product at 30% off. So a really great deal. Next, I got a pack of Mama's hair ties. These are from the Bump Life brand, and I got 3 of them right here. Black and white polka dots, this cool teal one, and then a white and black striped. And it says, need a lift? We all know life with kids isn't the easiest path, but is an incredible journey. Don't let that hair get in the way of laughs, smiles, and play. So these are ponytails that are like easy on the scalp and with breakage of the hair, and I don't think they allow creasing, so that's pretty neat. The next thing that really intrigued me is this Promise pregnancy skincare brand, and this is the hydrating facial cleanser. I am loving all of the skincare products. I love skincare, and now I can add this into my routine. And this says it has vitamin C, probiotic, organic green tea, and organic coconut. And it is a huge size. I mean, this is 4.8 ounces, so a lot bigger than what most boxes would have and what I've seen. And it smells so good. It smells like tangerines or oranges or like orange peels. And it's a lot more liquidy than what I thought. But this is awesome. Yummy. I could eat it. And then the next thing I got is the Glow Organics brand. Again, the same brand that I had the bath salts. And this is the Balance and Natural Foot Soak. This has organic white grapefruit and lavender essential oils, and this is a huge whopping 8 ounces. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. Oops, I don't want to spill any. But it looks like there is some sort of flowers in here. I don't know if you can see that, but looks like some great things. Organic, vegan, formulated for pregnancy, pink Himalayan salt, Epsom salt, Dead Sea salt, organic calendula petals. Okay, so yeah, big container, and this is really funny because I have been giving myself pedicures at home to save money because I splurge on other things, and I have almost everything that I need for a pedicure but a foot soak. So this is definitely going to come into handy because being back at work, my feet have been hurting when it is time to go to bed. So I'm really happy to have that. And then the very last thing that I'm also excited about is a Carrie B Brew, which is the brand. This is a moisturizing 2-in-1 body butter and coffee scrub, and this is the coconut rum scent. So really love scrubs, and the ingredients look great in here. Shea butter, coconut oil, essential oils, brown sugar, 100% fresh coffee, and it has a best by date of 12/1/2020. So I have a few months to use this. It says it's mess free, formulated for pregnancy, is not tested on animals. Oh my goodness. That smells like a delicious cinnamon bun or like a White Russian. Definitely can smell the rum. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Ooh, and it does feel like scrubby, but it has that oily consistency to it, which makes it like a butter. So I am really excited to try that out. So that is everything in May and June's box. I am so pleasantly surprised with this subscription, and I'm so happy that my mom did this for me. It also states that if you do have your baby before the subscription ends, they will send you boxes for you and the baby specifically. You just have to go on there and kind of tell them, hey, I'm not pregnant anymore, I had my baby, and they will switch up the boxes for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link the Bump box down below so that you guys can check them out. I highly recommend them. It's something fun. It keeps your pregnancy fun. And when you have something to look forward to every month, it's definitely worth the $36 a month. And again, get the 6-month subscription and you get your first box for only $18. And remember, free refunds and free shipping. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in the next one.